Morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Guess what? Today is my first day back in the charity shops for 2026. Has it taken me about 3 weeks almost to get back in them after the new year? Yes, but we're here now. It is a Monday, and it feels like time. Do you know how I know it's time to go back to the charity shops after Christmas? It's when I start sorting out all of my stuff at home, thinking I need to take this to the charity shops. Then I know it's time, because I'm typically just a little bit behind most people when it comes to decluttering. And I know if I'm taking it to the charity shops, most people have already taken their stuff to the charity shops, so they're always full, kind of about the second to third week. So we're putting that theory to the test today, and we are coming back to the charity shop. So I've actually come to my favourite one, which is the Animal Hospital one over at the Pool Industrial Estate, kind of near Bookers if you are local, near the big Tesco Extra, kind of around in that sort of area. So if you haven't checked that one out, then you definitely need to. We're going to check it out together today. So if you see anything in here, you know where to head. And then I'm going to go to Camborne town. We are going to, start things off strong. I've had many bargains there, I'm not going to lie. So I thought, start off strong today. We'll go to the favourite one and to Camborne, because we do typically get some bargains down there. I am on the hunt for some things at the moment. I have an actual list on my phone. I know, prepared. I've been prepping for this, okay? Now I am thinking, let's be a little bit out there and let's create a series this week. So Monday through to Friday for the next 5 days, I'm going to be going charity shopping. So if you would like to stick along, please do subscribe. I'm like 15 subscribers away from hitting 20k. And I really, really, really would like to hit it. So if you haven't subscribed and you like my content, you like charity shopping, you like crafts, you like budget shops in general, or just shopping around looking at things, then I am your girl. But anyway, with all that being said, I will be back tomorrow with another charity shopping video as well. So let's go and see what they have today.
Winnie the Pooh there, look. I haven't seen a Winnie the Pooh in blooming ages. I love Winnie the Pooh. So cute. So many random things. I just bumped into a lovely subscriber, had a big long chat, but now we are back to it. How gorgeous is that little stacking set there with the little pastel bits? Look. How nice is that? Wooden. I love, love, love these little wooden displays they have. A little pull along turtle. How cute. Kermit the Frog. Look at that. Someone looks like he's giving him a kiss. £2. You see a puppet? I think he might be a puppet, you know. £2 for him. That Yoda back there. Yeah, look at that. It's like a little pastel version. Only £3. What is this? My favourite princess tales. Read along story. Read and listen to the story. How cute is that? It's got Snow White, Princess and the Frog in there. That's so cute. What's that? A wall hanging sewing kit. Stop it. The charity shop is so loading up today. It's crazy. So many things. Oh, look at them. My mum loves little gnomes like that. They're usually from like B&M, aren't they? With those little faces. Some heart money boxes. They're from Poundland. I've seen them in there recently. Oh, a pink dog. That looks like a TK Maxx special, if ever I've seen one. Oh, look at that mug. A little orange mug. What's it from? Asda. £1.50 for that. Love it. I did go to Asda earlier on this week. I did film a little bit whilst I was in there, but I figured I just want to get some charity shop videos out and done. So I will bring that towards the end of the week. If you're interested to see what is in Asda, got that little hot ramekin pot there. Young, it says. £1.50. That's so cute, especially for a little bit of Valentine's Day decor. Cute is that little spoon rest there. Those little M&S tops there. It's £5. Hold on, let me hook it on. With the cutest little beaded embroidery on. How sweet would that be for spring? I think that's so cute, especially with like a little pair of light blue jeans. There it is, look. How sweet. Loving this little knitted number as well. Bit of a wintry one. Next again. £4.99 on that one. How pretty. All the ombre, different greens on there. It feels great as well. Look at that one. That was so sweet as well. £3.99 for that one. Really love the colours. Needs a bit of a debobble, but we have the debobbler machine, don't we? Quite like it. This bomber jacket is £4. I think the easy label is Matalan, but it's nice. Gorgeous. In great condition. It's a little bit dirty, so it needs a wash, but I like it.
Okay, so I've arrived now. Can you see how rainy it is? I just went and got a car park ticket. I need to tie my hair up because else I am absolutely going to be drenched. Also, I've got a hood on, like a hoodie, and I absolutely hate that. All my hair is getting like bundled up at the back, and I'm like, I'm not vibing with that. So we're gonna go with a ponytail because it is so wet outside. It is what it is. Okay, there we go, and we are gonna hit the charity shops. Am I going to see any more of you guys out there? I can't believe how many people I have bumped into literally this last kind of like 2 weeks. It's been insane. So if you would like to subscribe, get me over that 20k. I should have asked that man a second ago to subscribe. I need 15 more people. I probably bumped into about 15 of you lot. You're all out getting the bags. What are we like? We're all like one big collective group. Oh dear, I've done such a bad job. What is going on? Oh no, that's not good, is it? Oh well, it's going to be rained on in about 10 seconds anyway. But yeah, I should have brought a better coat. It wasn't raining when I left the house this morning, but to be fair, that was a couple of hours ago now. We just have not been making much progress today. So anyway, hair up, we mean business. Let's get to the charity shops. Come on, charity shops gods. I'm going to bring my bag for good luck. My new TK Maxx bag. This is going to be full with all the things I need by the time we're finished. Yes, it is. Do you know what? It was a blooming nightmare to try and get to the car park because there's so much like work going on throughout town, so I had to drive around. And there's so many one-way systems. But we're here now. I decided to leave a mini mic in my bag because it is so wet. Can you see that? My golly, I'm hoping this is going to make for better charity shopping because obviously the charity shop's going to be quite quiet because most sane people are inside. That's what I'm telling myself anyway. So I'll tell you what, we're going to head to the air ambulance store first of all because that one's my fave in Camborne town. Something else that's quite funny, it's the fact that I've got brand new shoes on today, white ones. I'm trying to wear them in a little bit, but it feels like I'm walking on bits of concrete stuck to my feet, and they're so white. Look at them. I'm not a fan of brand new trainers out the box. I know some people love it. Not for me. Just new pair of Air Force Ones. The world's most comfiest trainer, I swear. Anyway, here's the air ambulance store. I always like to look in this window here. We just got some long boots. Well, I quite like those ones. Do you know what? I don't like boots when they have a little seam down the front. I always think it makes you look like you've got like a trotter foot. And that isn't the look for me. I know they even make shoes like that nowadays, but yeah, it's not for me. But let's go in the store here. Oh look, they've still got those balls. They had these in here before. $3.75. I think they were like £10 or something in here before. I'll look back at my old videos. That there was definitely in here before as well because I love that. I think that's so gorgeous. Look at the colour of these babes. These are really nice plates. Oh, cute in like country kitchen style. I love a little scallop edge plate. And a fat. I love them. They are gorgeous. Who do they buy? Not sure. Let's have a look on the bottom of the plate. Are they all placed individually? Yeah. Petalware. I'd never heard of it, but I really, really, really love the colouring of those. Absolutely beautiful. They still have these ones here as well. I saw these in here a few weeks ago. I think before Christmas. It must have been because I haven't been since. How stunning are they? Like, imagine if they were in Anthropology. They'd cost like £22, I reckon. And in here, £2 for the authentic real deal. Do I know what they're for? No. Like, what do you actually put in those? But they are very, very beautiful, aren't they? Let's have a little look around. A little beaded pot there. Gorgeous. My golly, look at that. It's a Solid Delight cool bag. How retro is that? £1.50. Oh, I love it. That brings back
all the vibes. I used to love Sunny Delight as a kid. This jumper here, this is the one that I got in the charity shop not that long ago. £4.50 on that one. Gorgeous, great for this time of year. I'm after a little pink cardi. They don't seem to have anything like that in stock at the moment. What's this one? Looks quite nice, doesn't it? Oh, M&S, look. And that is £3 for that. Lovely jumper. Oh, it's got burgundy sleeves. In here we got some lovely wardrobes. Look at the size of these bad boys. They've even got drawers down the bottom. 195. But do you know what? Compared to like IKEA, I think you're off to a bargain for even that like solid wood. Are you joking? Ain't no melamine in sight here. Look at that, nice and tidy inside as well. You got a long bit we could put. Oh, look, it's got shelves. Well, that is very handy. I could do with a big wardrobe like that in my house, to be honest. So over here, lots of little jars and stuff. Some more crockery. Oh, look at that plate. Nice leafy plate. Some gorgeous little cups and saucers in there. Stunning. What are they? £1 a piece. Barg. I lied. 50p a piece. Look at them. They're so dainty and cute. You could definitely do such an adorable DIY with those. I've seen really, really cute things where you make little characters come out of mugs. And you like the gingerbread ones that I did that came out of the mugs. You could do like, I don't know, like a little bug or something. A little angel comes out of a mug like that. For 50p, you cannot go wrong. Place it back in there gently. You know me and knocking things over. Very clumsy sometimes. Oh, look at those. They're so perfect. I wish they would kind of sell them as a set though. It's sad to think like that set might be like spread open, like spread apart. 50p a piece though. You could still buy the whole set, but yeah, it's really sad to think that some of that could be separated. I don't know. It does to me. We're a bit empty up here today. Lots of random chairs though, between like £5 and £10 a piece. Alright, if you're just looking for a chair, £15 for them. Begging to be upcycled they are. Oh no, look at the finish on the top of that table. Again, that could be finished really nicely, and it's only £15. Give that a good sand, a good paint. You're probably onto a winner. Oh, we've got like a circle of furniture here. Nice little trolley. £10 on that one. Their frames have been like really reduced down too. They had loads in here the last time I came in. They're really good, like reasonable price. I picked up a few the last time I was actually in here. And then we've got a bird cage, a pet cage, and some walkers. Lots of walkers actually. Came in Cornwall Hospice now. Look at that little teapot. Damn it, that doesn't look like the cutest little Valentine's Day teapot you've ever did see. A frog mug. Look at the eyeballs on that bad boy. How much is it? £1.50. TK Maxx. Could never look at its face. How adorable. What's that? That sweet little tea cozy. £1 that look. So adorable. I don't know anyone who actually uses them, but it's very cute nonetheless. Little octopus mug. Stop, look at those cute little scales as well. Why do they have so many scales? I'm unsure, but if you need scales. Look at this. How gorgeous is that with the hearts on there as well? £3. Does it have a mark? Yes, whatever that is. I don't know, but that is beautiful. Into the W World now. I think it's W World. W World. I'm not sure. I always get that wrong. A few cute things in here. Look at that little daisy frame. It's only £2. I think that would be really fun for a little upcycle. Again, a nice little vase. That's quite a big one actually. £1.50 on that. Kind of looks like it's been hand painted, but almost matches that set that we saw in the other. Oh, look, those dogs. I saw those. Someone, was it Aldi or something, was giving those away. £2 though. Background to the men's kind of clothing. George, £2. Oh, that's like one of those sheen ones where it's like printed to look like a jumper. Do you know what I mean?
I found a really nice cardi in the window. There wasn't a sign or anything, and it literally was just like hung up with a hanger. So I took it and I went and asked one of the store ladies, excuse me, is it okay if like I purchase something from the window? Because I just found this now. If not, I'll put it back, it's fine. And she was like, yeah, I suppose on this occasion it's fine. She was like, I really need to put a sign out so people could stop taking things without asking. And it's like, we don't have a sign there. But also she was just eating her lunch out the back and wasn't even serving anyone, so I didn't know what to do, but got the cardi. Oh no, I felt like she was really annoyed at me, but oh well, we move into British Heart Foundation next. Nice little jewels back there. I fear I may have started a bit of a problem in here too, but £4 on that one. It's really good for any jewels lover. Not much going on in the purse section though. That's kind of what I'm looking for today. Just mainly bags. Maybe they've got some other bags. Let's go have a look. But as I was walking in the door there to the British Heart Foundation, a man came up to me and literally put a like coin collector thingy, like the little charity shop collection bits that they usually have in like Tesco and stuff. He put one of those like right up into my face. He said something. I took my earphone out and he was like, oh, could you make a donation today? And I was like, oh, sorry, I don't have any cash on me, which I don't, obviously. I just never carry cash anymore, which is why I'm looking for a little coin wallet today, because I'm going somewhere where I'm going to need cash. So I was like, yeah, sorry. And then in turn, another man then who was coming in behind me, he was like, excuse me, you can't do that. He complained to the lady working in there. She was like, well, he's fine. He's just collecting money for the charity. And then the guy was like, well, he's stopping people coming in. He's just put his pot in that lady's face. And I was like, oh dear gosh. So with that being said, I think I'm going to call it a day. Causing a right scene, and oh no, I have so much anxiety now. So I'm going to go to Philps, I'm going to buy myself a cake, and I'm going to sit in the car and eat my cake to make myself feel better. Got myself a chocolate fudge slice. She asked me, she was like, do you have any allergies? I was like, no, only to vegetables. So I've got myself a chocolate fudge slice. I'm going to eat this in the car. I will show you my cardi when I get there too, but oh, thrilled to eat this. So I'm back in the car now. Do I have a shed load of anxiety? Yes, that was not a fun experience. Anyway, jumper, look how gorgeous this cardi is. I have a cardi in this colour anyway, which you guys know I wear all the time. I actually changed the colour of the buttons on that one to make them gold with some rub and buff. This one here has little pearl buttons, but 100% cashmere look for, hold your horses, £4. £4. It feels delightful. So in my opinion, worth being told off for, because it's also my size and gorgeous red. You know, I love wearing red in this colour. So really happy about that. Happy I waited for the charity shops rather than buying one in like Primark or Asda or anything like that. I went into Asda the other day. I probably said that earlier in this vlog actually. The jumpers and stuff are now like 20 odd pounds for just pure acrylic. Can you believe? So yeah, I bought myself a piece of cake for my commiserations. Cake makes everything better, doesn't it? I've already taken a big bite. Look at the size of that. Chocolate fudge. Look how thick it is. If you've ever had this, you will know it's delightful. I'm supposed to be on a diet. I've got type 1 diabetes, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Hold on. I was considering going somewhere else, but you know what? That's me zonk for today. I'm going to be back tomorrow anyway, so stay tuned for another charity shop adventure tomorrow, no matter what it will bring, whether it's positive or not so positive. Honestly, I am a very positive person. I try to stay as positive as like possibly can be, but I'm not feeling the vibes today. On day one. Oh, that's really let me down actually. Oh well, it's fine. I'm sure I'm just being a bit sensitive. I'm not used to the hard-hitting charity shopness that can come with it sometimes. But I got my cardi, very thrilled at that, so that's made it all worth it. I love also got me fudge cake. Look at that, I've eaten half of it now. But anyway, hopefully you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you would like subscribed, I would love to have you. Like I said, I'm at 15 people away from 20,000, and that would make me so happy if you could do that for me. But if not, that's fine too. Hopefully I will catch you tomorrow for another charity shopping adventure. Hopefully it will be more successful than today. But with all that being said, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I shall see you again tomorrow. Bye.